have a boss that you hate, or a coworker that keeps talking to you in a disrespectful manner? Maybe it's other things that have your attention at work, like rumors of a scandal or a layoff, perhaps a management change or a new administration. I call all of it white noise. It's the constant chatter, the sounds in the background that capture your attention and can bleed out more important things. My coaching challenge to you: stay focused. Figure out what your personal career goals are, your mission, and the strategies you need to employ to achieve them. Then work towards those instead of paying attention to and feeding into the white noise. It'll still be there, but it won't have as great of an impact on your day. For example, in order to stay focused on your own career mission, you might go back to school or get a certification in order to pursue that promotion you want. Maybe it's a career change, so maybe there's some research or even mentors that you need to help you get there. Whatever it is, pursue that, focus on that, and not the noise.